In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit cell content in Smartsheet. Editing cells is one of the most basic, but also most important skills you'll use in Smartsheet. Whether you're updating a task status, changing a date, or correcting a typo, the process is quick and very similar to working in a spreadsheet like Excel or Google Sheets. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to get into a cell, make your changes, and then save them properly so nothing gets lost. First, start by locating the cell you want to update in your sheet. With your mouse, click that cell once. You'll see a highlight appear around it, which lets you know it's selected. At this point, you can't edit the text yet. You've only selected the cell. Next, you need to enter edit mode for that cell. There are a few simple ways to do this. You can press the Enter key on your keyboard, you can press F2, or you can quickly double-click on the cell with your mouse. Any of these actions will place your cursor inside the cell, allowing you to edit the existing content. If there's already text there, you can move your cursor with the arrow keys to position it exactly where you want to make changes. Now, go ahead and type your changes. You can completely replace what was there before, or just update part of it. For example, you might change a word, adjust a number, or add extra details to a description. Take a moment to review what you've typed to make sure it's accurate, especially if you're working on something like dates, budgets, or task statuses, where small mistakes can matter. Once you're happy with your edits, you'll want to save them and move on. To commit the change to that cell, press Enter. This confirms the update and usually moves your selection down to the cell below, depending on your Smartsheet settings. If you'd rather move across your sheet instead of down, press the Tab key instead. Tab will save your change and jump your selection to the cell on the right, which is perfect when you're entering a series of values across a row. That's all there is to it. Click to select the cell, use Enter, F2, or a double click to start editing, type your changes, and then press Enter or Tab to commit them and keep working smoothly across your sheet.